We're in Bangkok and it's moving day. Time for our next Airbnb.
Live life on your own terms. This is Two Doves Nation. Let's fly.
We are leaving our Airbnb at Twin Peaks Condo on Sukhumvit Road and going to our new Airbnb called Me Style Condo in the Bangna district of Bangkok. Time to drop the key off. A 12-mile car ride took us almost an hour to get to the new condo. Bangkok traffic is for the birds. I did enjoy the taxi ride, even though we were sitting for quite a while. We got to see a lot of the inner city. I think it would be very burdensome if you had to take this commute full time. This is our new Airbnb in Bangkok. We are in the living space. When you walk in through the door, you have a place to put your shoes and a little table to put your keys and everything. And as you walk into the living room, you have a desk and a couch. You have a TV, entertainment center, and you have a little 4-person dining area. And off to your right, when you walk into the space, you actually have a kitchen, which is kind of neat the way they have the kitchen. You can close it off, I guess, so when it gets smelly, it doesn't smell up the whole apartment. That's what I assume it's for. You walk down the hallway, and off to your right is a bathroom, and it has a toilet, sink, and a shower, and of course the ever important bum gun. The hall dead ends into one of the bedrooms. It is a double bed and it has like a little vanity and closet. To the left, or on the left of the hallway, is the ensuite. This room has a queen size bed with a bathroom inside of it and a closet and a little vanity area. On the patio, you do have a washing machine.
Let's fly.
We're gonna go get us some street food.
I love me my stick.
Let's go see if they have some. We stopped at these food stalls that run up and down our street. I think it might be a night market too, but there's some people that sell stuff during the day. And we got omelets and pork and rice and some spicy pepper dip and some watermelon smoothie. That's good. We just got done eating our food and we even got some little taro donuts for dessert. We're headed into the Super C. Gotta get some cash. Time to stock up.
We do got a good variety of sandals.
Check it out. Individually wrapped Mentos. Barbecue ribs. Why not? Picking up a few cleaning supplies. We've got laundry detergent and dish soap. Our Airbnb doesn't supply it, and I can understand why, to help them keep down on the cost, but we're staying here for 10 days, so you gotta keep it clean. Water is super important. You definitely don't want to drink the tap water here. It's pretty cheap too, so definitely get you plenty of water. And save your containers. You can always go to the reverse osmosis stations to refill.
I like the music they play.
Just got done with all of our Big C shopping and we're about to head back to the Airbnb and put it all back. We finally made it back here to the new Airbnb. Whew. It's hot too, but I wanted to show you what we got. Okay, well you saw some of the cleaning supplies that we got, but we also got a big jug of water. We got some breakfast stuff for Alex, like some cereal and milk, and we got some eggs and some coffee and rice and snack foods and paper products because there's no toilet paper here and we needed some napkins as well. Thanks for coming along with us on this video today, moving with us from our first Airbnb to this one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and join the Dove Nation. This is Amanda, Alex, and Ace reminding you to keep soaring to the end. Out.